Welcome back to Automoto Review. The 2025 Toyota Hilux is a versatile pickup truck known for its durability and off-road capabilities. It offers a range of features and options to suit different needs, including a. Exterior. Sleek and modern design with updated headlights and grille. Rugged and tough appearance with aggressive lines and wheel arches. Optional two-tone paint scheme for added customization. Large bed size for carrying cargo. Interior. Upgraded interior with premium materials and improved comfort. Larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. More storage compartments for practicality. Comfortable seating for both driver and passengers. Performance. Powerful engine options, including a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. Smooth and efficient performance both on and off-road. Advanced four-wheel drive system with off-road assist features. Excellent towing and hauling capacity. Safety. Comprehensive safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. Rear cross traffic alert. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Hilux is a well-rounded pickup truck that offers a combination of style, performance, and practicality. It's a great choice for those who need a reliable and capable vehicle for work or play.